What's up guys? So, it's another week and I finally have some bits. The new mounting points for the custom subframe. Hopefully, what I can do is get all of that done today and get that all tacked up and get all the right measurements, so I know that I'm going to be able to get all the right materials to be able to get everything in basically, and then I can get it into work and see what I can do. It might be a case where I have to ask some people to wait around after work and give me a bit of a hand, but we can get this all welded up, and who knows if I'm able to do it quite quickly, then this whole video might end up being getting that rear subframe in. That's the plan. I'm gonna crack on, let's get all this stuff in. I've got some bits, I've got to get the old mounts cut off of the S13 subframe today, get these up, and also I've got to figure out how I'm going to get in there to tack some of this up, because there is not a lot of clearance around the car because of where I have it. But that's all things we'll come against in the video. So I'll get Kerrang radio back on, let's get cracking, enjoy the video, let's see how it goes. So, I haven't filmed it, but I've got some noise, scooch bubba. We've got it in about the right position now. Yeah, and that'll be that. That'll be the rear subframe. That's how it's gonna sit. Let's give it a go. Next time I'll think about what I'm doing, because I now have a tea full of crap, but I'm gonna drink anyway. But, so this is the idea. I've already measured the angle of the dangle. Obviously I'll clean this up a bit, but it's gonna sit like that. So you've got the mount here, and then it comes down into the old mount position here. One of these on either side of the new mount, and then obviously we'll build it up and we'll make it as strong as possible, so there's no chance of it breaking. The only time it's going to break is if I hit it, then the other thing's going to break anyway. So there we go. So that's the first bit. So what I can do is get this cleaned up, get this tacked onto one side, so one side is held up because my jack drops. Get this on, hold it up in place, get the other side tacked on with maybe just one, because getting the second one in is a little bit of a difficult position. I'll see what I can do, but then I can get it off and properly. I am driving. I have been getting on with the rear subframe for the past 2 weeks now, and I'll be honest, it hasn't quite gone as planned, but I'm in the van and there's a reason for it. It passed its MOT, which is spot on. Oh. Yeah, van passed its MOT, spot on, so I can finally go and pick up bigger car parts, which is great, and I don't have to use the Audi. Also, stickers. We have stickers, which is cool. If you want one, let us know. But we're close to 100 subscribers now. So, can we hit 100 subscriber? Get a sticker or two, maybe something else sent through. Obviously at my expense, unfortunately. But I will send something out to subscriber number 100 and maybe one other person. So get some comments in, which would be really cool. But why am I in the van? I am going to pick up all the adjustable arms for the suspension. So I'm on my way back from picking up adjustable arms, front knuckles, the S14 5 stud stuff. Awesome haul today. Thankfully, done me a solid, really good deal on parts. If there's any other C32 guys that are looking for a couple of bits, hit me up. Lee has a couple of bits that might come in quite useful. I know there's a few of you doing some bits, so let us know and I'll put you in touch. That'd be awesome. But thanks for that, mate. Really good. They're going to work on the car, I know they will. It's the same guy I bought the subframe from, so spot on. It's all going to work. Got to get it all on the car, so we'll see how the subframe goes. The parts are here, let's show you around them. We've got the parts. So we've got the 2 front knuckles with 5 stud conversion on, which is fantastic. We've got the rear hubs with 5 stud conversion, and we have all the adjustable arms. And we have some adjustable fronts. And that is pretty much most of my shopping list, all done in one foul swoop. My journey home went terribly long. So this happened on the way back. On the way home, as you've just seen, a swan attacked me. Brilliant. Van's just passed its MOT, was well happy with that, so I can go pick up more car parts and I can get that sold so I can get myself another vehicle that's a bit bigger. That's not happening right now, so I need to sort that out, which is annoying after I've just gone and bought car parts and I need to spend money on getting that sorted. This is going to be a small video of me just talking. It's a bit windy, but it's holding itself up. Now that mountain's being redone, but it's all coming off and it's all going to be strengthened. But it's holding itself in place. Got everything tacked in place. I've welded it a bit stronger than I was anticipating because it just kept falling apart. So you can see here that the new mount points are on. As you can see, I'm going to take this to work now. Couple of weeks to get that bit strengthened up properly, because honestly those welds are absolutely piss poor and I don't really want them on there. They're there for positioning because I can get the other, so you can see, let's see, so you can see we've got one side on here. Now we've got the other side that needs to be welded in, and all the strengthening and everything like that. That's not something I particularly want to do myself. I'm just not confident enough at the moment. So basically what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut some bits up ready to make the rear mounting points. I've had an idea for how they're going to mount, because I'm going to have to use an S13 rear diff now, so the diff mounting point that is actually attached to the car can come off. So where that bolts on, I'm hoping I can use that as a basis to bolt the new extended frame up as well. So I'm going to get that bit off now and we can go from there. So I know the video's a bit bitty and all over the place, and I've not got much done today for you, but I've been struggling with this subframe for about 5-6 weeks now. So even to get the little bit done that I've got done is just a major relief to me. Now, you just see me put that little plate up as my little concept idea of how I'm going to mount the rear of this subframe. Now what I've gone and done is I got measurements for all the other bits, and I've just cut myself two more lumps, and they are going to sit like that, because unfortunately my subframe goes straight and then angles up like that and then comes back up straight again. So these are going to be the bridging points there, so they're going to angle up like that. Then we'll have two flat bits, and they're going to be bolted up onto the car, and then you'll see. Maybe I'll do a proper drawing of what I'm going to be doing and show you, but I've got to wait a couple of weeks to be able to get the subframe over to work and all welded up properly, and those bits, new bits welded on, those crap welds cut off and better welds put on. That's going to take a little while, so I think I've got to get a few more bits off the car now. I've got to get this rear bumper off, and I want to start prepping the engine bay, really, getting that all sanded down. Like with when I was cleaning the parts, it's going to be some boring stuff, but it's got to be done, unfortunately, and the whole sanding before you paint is possibly the worst thing in the world, but there we go, it's got to be done. But I have got the mounted bolts that I'm going to be using for the subframe, so I've got pretty much everything that I need to be able to make it up, but I'm not offering it back up to the car until the welds are strengthened, because I took it on and off the car I think 15-20 times, and the small tacks that I was doing just weren't strong enough, and some of them they just gave way, and then the jack gave way and dropped everything, and everything broke and things kept coming out of line. It was the worst. So there's not too much footage to show you today. There's me picking up parts, being really happy, and then the Swan, and then my win of the sub. So next week's going to be a bit of cleaning and all the boring stuff that needs to get done. I might as well do it, especially now it's getting a little bit nicer weather and it's going to be a bit more pleasant just to be out there. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this week, and there's going to be plenty more to come. So hit like, hit subscribe, comment, share this to your friends. It'd be great to get as many people watching as possible, and if anyone wants a sticker, then let me know. Like I said, 100 subscribers gets a free sticker, maybe something else, who knows. We're so close now. I'd love to be able to hit 100 subscribers from this video. It'd be awesome. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.